I've been smiling so much since morning because my very first brand collab is launching tomorrow. If you didn't know, I just collaborated with OFRA. This is my OFRA x SmithaDeepak collaboration that you're seeing right now, and it's launching tomorrow. And just so you know, OFRA is vegan and it's cruelty free. And this, my friends, has taken us over a year to put together. Although it looks so simple, it looks like just 3 products. We started discussing mid of last year, and we went back and forth on the formula, on the shades. I just wanted it to be perfect, just everything to the T. Like, it should be like butter and the lipstick should be opaque. I just wanted everything that I want for myself in makeup. Without me being satisfied, I'm not gonna put it out there, and I'm not asking you to buy it if it's not perfect. So we went back and forth for a year. I'm sure OFRA is like, who is this girl? But we finally did it. I'm sure like if you try this, you will love it. But I just want to show you what's in here, and I want to swatch everything for you guys so you can actually see how beautiful everything came together. So without further delay, let's begin. Okay, so what does the collection have? You can either get this entire package with the highlighter and 2 mini lipsticks, or you can get the products separately, and these are full sizes. Let me open this up so we can compare the size difference. This is Flash, it's the highlighter. I'll tell you in a bit why we called it the Flash. This one's from the kit, and this one you can purchase individually. They're pretty much the same size. One difference is if you buy it separately, it feels much heavier, and there is a mirror with it. But if you buy it in the kit, there's no mirror with it. Now if you buy this individually, it's $35, but if you get this whole kit, it's $36. So if I were you, I would get the kit, because for $1 more extra, you're also getting 2 lipsticks in here. So this kit is definitely value for money, and being a high-end brand like OFRA, $36 for a highlighter and 2 mini lipsticks is definitely a steal. And now for the lipstick comparison, this is standout, and you can see the mini lipstick versus the full size. Again, you can try out the mini lipstick, and then if you like it, you can go for the full size. And so it is with the beautiful nude shade called Bestie. You can see the size comparison. Now let's go ahead and swatch the products. OFRA Cosmetics highlighters, if you've tried it, you know they are the best in the industry. There's nothing that can beat OFRA's texture, the pigment, just how buttery soft it is. But one thing I want to emphasize this time is the shade. I've seen that highlighters especially is so personal to your undertones. Sometimes a highlighter can look beautiful, but when you apply it, your face will start looking either gray or too warm. So we wanted to just work with as many undertones as possible. There's a hint of cool as well as warm undertones to it, so it suits everybody universally. I mean, think about it. And when you glide it on your skin, I call it glided because it melts into your skin tone and gives you almost that inner goddess glow. I've always told you that when you apply makeup, it should not look like makeup sitting on your skin. It should look like it's coming from within. And if you have a glow, it should look like you're glowing from within. And that's exactly what this highlighter does. So again, it's a universally flattering shade that melts into your skin. It's not flaky or chunky like some of the highlighters. It doesn't exaggerate or show your texture more. It melts into your skin to give that beautiful glow. Now, why did we call this highlighter Flash? The best kind of highlighters are the ones that reflect the most perfect light during flash photography. When there's flash photography, especially in events or that sunlight hits your face, it has to reflect the most perfect light, and for that you need to have the most perfect highlighter on your face for it to reflect and bring forward the best features on your face. And that's what this shade does. So next time when there's flash photography and when you want the best features on your face to be shown and give that beautiful structure and dimension, try using Flash. Next, let's talk about the lipsticks. I feel like everybody should have a beautiful nude and a stunning red in their stash. And when it comes to nude, who doesn't like a peach and a warm undertoned nude lip that emphasizes your natural lip color? and that is Bestie. And we call it the Bestie because it's a best friend that's needed in everybody's makeup stash and in your handbag, because this is something that you can use every single day. If you've already tried OFRA's liquid lipsticks, you know how the formula is. It's super comfortable. You know how some liquid lipsticks, after they dry down, they feel very dry. They feel like plastic on your lips. But OFRA's liquid lipsticks are super comfortable even after you've applied it and it dries down. It almost has that bullet lipstick kind of comfort to it. So it doesn't dry down your lips. You can eat, drink anything, and it's long lasting. And best thing is, it's opaque. It's so opaque that it sits beautifully. The pigment payoff is fantastic. I was actually tired of using a concealer in the center of my lip to create those beautiful ombre lips. You don't need it anymore because if you have your Bestie, you can create all kinds of lip combinations. So you can combine it with any lip liner and it's going to look absolutely stunning. My lips are naturally very thin, but there's something about that ombre lip that makes it look so much more bigger. So I love to use this lip shade especially to create ombre lips, but of course you can use it on its own and it looks absolutely beautiful. Next we have Stand Out, and this is the Bond girl moment for me. I had to go through so many pictures, so many different colors, and come up with the kind of red that stands out, and that's where it gets its name. This shade has a hint of berry and brick red, and it is so pigmented again, and as you can see, it is so comfortable on the lips. You cannot go wrong with it, and this is exactly the kind of shade when you wear it and you walk into that room, heads are going to turn, people are going to look at you for all the right reasons, and you stand out. I've been secretly wearing these lipsticks over the past week, and everybody's been asking me what the lip shades are, so here it is. The cat is out of the basket. Do they say that? I don't know. Or the word is out, and these are the two shades. And although it took us over a year to put everything together, it came out beautifully, and I'm so glad we are launching it at this time because fall's coming up, a holiday season is coming up, festive season is up, and it makes a great gift for someone you love or for yourself. These are stunning, gorgeous fall colors, and they go with any outfit. Every bit of me has gone into making this, and I hope you can truly appreciate that. The launch is of course tomorrow. See how I start grinning as soon as I talk about the launch. I'm always so excited about the products that I build or the tutorials that I do, but you can sign up for first access. So if you want to be informed as soon as it launches, there's a link down below in the description box, so do check that out with all of the other information. And if you plan to buy anything from the collection, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I'm going to reshare it in my stories and then save it in my highlights. There's a little highlight. If you go to my profile, it goes into that highlight and stays there forever. So you'll see yourself in my highlight forever. And then I'm also going to share it on YouTube stories. So please don't forget to tag me. I'm super excited about tomorrow. I hope you are as well. Again, you've been a part of this journey, and I can't thank you enough. I love you guys so much. Thank you for everything, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.